pin connections in steel structures. Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss supports in structures. So, what exactly is a support? A support is a part of the structure that transfers applied force to the ground. However, the way forces are transferred vary, leading to different types of supports. Today, we will focus specifically on the pinned support. Why are support important? If a support is not properly designed and executed, it can lead to settlement issue or even a structural collapse. That's why in this video we will cover all aspects to the pin support, including how they transfer loads and how they are represented in the engineering software. And the next one is about how they are constructed in the real projects. Real life example of the pin connection in the structures. Stay with us until the end of this video, dear ones. Our lessons are all connected to make learning easier. Follow our channel and website to the latest updates. Let's start with the pin support. This support resists horizontal and vertical forces and transfers them to the ground. However, it doesn't rotation, allowing the connection member to rotate freely. If you apply the horizontal load, the support reacts with the opposing horizontal forces. If you apply the vertical force, it also provides a reaction force in the vertical directions. However, if you apply the bending moment, the support doesn't resist it and rotates freely. Okay? And how is the pin support presented in the book and software? Common graphic of this type of support is about a triangle with a small circle on top. Okay? And the next one is a simple triangle without ring. Okay? A ring with the connected rod or a structural member. Connection either embedded in the resting on the ground, as you see in these pictures. How is it's modeled the engineering software? For example, ETABS and etc. In ETABS, when defining supports in the joint setting, we see different options for restricting or allowing movements. In a 2D model, the pin support only resists horizontal and vertical forces. In a 3D models, it also considers the z-axis, meaning it provides reactions in all three coordinate directions. However, it doesn't resist rotation about any axis, so rotational constraints remain unchecked, as you see in these pictures. The next section is about how does a pin support affect the difference of the connected member. When axial or vertical forces are applied, the pin support resists them, preventing movement, as you see. However, when a bending moment is applied, the joint rotates freely without resistance, as you see. The next section is about the real-life applications. Bridge connection in building frames, certain industrial steel structures. Now, and let's watch the real video showing the pin connection in actions. As you see in these pictures, we are and take a peek in the several aspects of it. As you see in these pictures, they show about the pin connections. Any kind of it. The spirit is in there. And now, how are pin connection implemented in building? In a building, this type of the connection is usually created using angle connections with a slight gap from the column. As shown in this image, you see this is the IP section into the column, and then angle connections bracket is installed at the top and bottom flank of the beam. Okay, a small gap is left between the section and the column to allow free rotation of the beam. Summary. Pin support is one of the most common using the support in the structural engineering because it resists the horizontal and vertical forces but not bending moments. And in the real construction, it is created using the angle and the gap of the free rotation. It is body using the bridge, building frame, and the steel structures. And the next video we talk about the ruler connection, the other one. In an upcoming video, we will explore the type of the support and compare with the behavior. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and comment and support us. And don't forget that it is important how to reach the destinations. Until the next video, dear ones. Our lessons are all connected to make learning easier. Follow our channel and website to the latest updates.